Let us study chemistry together with CBSE Chemistry tips and tricks.
Calculate the wavelength, frequency and wave number of a light wave, whose period is 2 into 10 raised to minus 10 second. Okay. See, this one is a straight question. They have given the time period. What is that? 2 into 10 raised to minus 10. If you know time period, you know how to find frequency. That is 1 by time period, correct? You can find it. Then once you find frequency, you can find wavelength. What is that? C by frequency, C by nu. Once you find wavelength, you can find wave number. Wave number is equal to what? 1 by lambda. Okay. So what is frequency? 1 by time period. What is that? 1 by 2 into 10 raised to minus 10. Correct? You can easily solve this, right? It become what? 10 raised to 10 by 2. Or you can write 10 into 10 raised to 9 by 2. So you can write 5 into 10 raised to 9. What is the unit? Second raised to minus 1, right? Now you can find wavelength. What is that? C by nu. Nu you already know. So what is that? 3 into 10 raised to 8 by. What is frequency? 5 into 10 raised to 9. You know how to solve this, right? Very easy. What you will get? See, 3 by 5 is 0.6. 0.6. 10 raised to 8 by 10 raised to 9. You will be getting what? 10 raised to minus 1. Okay, right? 10 raised to minus 1. Okay. Or if you want, you can write 6 into 10 raised to minus 2. Okay. Now, what is nu bar wave number? It is 1 by lambda. So what is that? 1 by 6 into 10 raised to minus 2. So if you want, you can write 10 raised to 2 by 6, which means 100 by 6. What is 100 by 6? On dividing, you will get 16.6. Okay, what is the unit? Meter raised to minus 1. And unit of wavelength is what? Meter. That's it. Simple, easy, direct question.